उरूज पर गिरी हुई सारी ज़मीन थी जहालत उरूज पर गिरी हुई सारी ज़मीन ला इलाहा की सदा से चमक उठा दिल अरशद कहीं. Respected teachers, brothers and other all guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, Abdul Adnan of class 5th, is going to deliver views on faith. The first kalima states the core belief in one God and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as his messenger. There is no God but Allah. He is unique and has no partner. He alone is worthy of all worship and prayers. He gave life and causes that and will never die. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the final prophet sent to guide all mankind. The first kalima is the foundation of Islam and is called kalima-e-tayyib, the word of purity. In short, it is the most essential belief required to enter the religion of Islam. Thank you.